Common mistakes to avoid when moving to Red Deer. Moving to a new city can be both exciting and daunting. Red Deer, located in central Alberta, is becoming a popular destination for many. However, newcomers often make mistakes that can complicate their transition. In this article, we will explore the most common misconceptions and errors people make when relocating to Red Deer, ensuring you are well prepared for your move. 1. Unrealistic expectations about the real estate market. When moving to a new city like Red Deer, one of the most significant challenges prospective buyers face is understanding the local real estate market. A common misconception is the belief that homes will sell for much less than their asking price. This notion often arises from experiences in other provinces, particularly in areas like Ontario, where buyers are accustomed to negotiating prices down by 10% or more. However, this approach does not translate well to the current market dynamics in Red Deer. Current market conditions. Red Deer is currently experiencing a competitive real estate environment. With just over 2 months of housing supply available, the market is classified as a seller's market. In simple terms, this means that there are more buyers than homes available for sale. As a result, sellers have the upper hand in negotiations. Homes that are well presented and accurately priced tend to attract significant interest and can sell very quickly. For example, a recent listing I managed received an accepted offer within just 3 hours of being on the market. This rapid turnover highlights the importance of having realistic expectations about the buying process in Red Deer. If you have a budget of $400,000 but are looking at homes listed at $450,000, you are setting yourself up for disappointment. The chances of finding a seller who is willing to negotiate significantly below the asking price are slim, especially if the property is in good condition and competitively priced. Understanding local dynamics. To navigate the Red Deer real estate market effectively, it is essential to understand its unique dynamics. Factors such as low inventory and high demand mean that homes often receive multiple offers. In such situations, buyers may find themselves in bidding wars, where they might need to offer the asking price or even above it to secure a property. This is a stark contrast to markets where buyers can expect to negotiate prices down. Strategies for buyers. Research the market. Before making an offer, take the time to research recent sales in the area. Look at how long homes are staying on the market and the sale prices compared to the asking prices. This data can provide invaluable insights into what to expect. Set a realistic budget. Ensure your budget aligns with the current market conditions. If your budget is $400,000, focus on properties listed within that range to avoid disappointment. Work with a local realtor. Partnering with a knowledgeable realtor can help you navigate the complexities of the market. They can provide insights into pricing trends and help you identify properties that meet your needs without exceeding your budget. Avoid lowball offers. In a competitive market like Red Deer, making lowball offers can be counterproductive. Sellers are less likely to consider offers that are significantly below the asking price, especially if there are other interested buyers. 2. Flexibility in your job search. Another common mistake is being inflexible in your job search. Many people move to Red Deer expecting to find work in their current field immediately. However, the job market may not align with your previous experience or industry. For example, those in the IT and tech sectors may find more opportunities in larger cities like Edmonton or Calgary. If you are relocating to Red Deer, it is essential to remain open to different job opportunities. The economy in Alberta is robust, particularly in sectors like oil and gas, construction, and healthcare. If you are willing to explore various fields, you will increase your chances of finding employment. Be open to different job opportunities that may not align with your past experience. This flexibility can lead to unexpected and rewarding career paths. 3. Relying on third-party websites for home searches. Many newcomers rely on popular real estate websites like Realtor.ca to search for homes. While these sites can provide a general idea of the market, they often lack real-time updates. This means you might find listings that have already sold or are no longer available. To ensure you have accurate and up-to-date information, it is advisable to work with a local realtor. They can set you up with access to the multiple listing service, MLS, which provides real-time listings based on your criteria. This way, you will receive notifications about homes that meet your needs as soon as they are listed. Utilize the expertise of a local realtor in the MLS for accurate and timely information on available properties. 4. Insufficient research on neighborhoods. When moving to a new city, it is easy to become fixated on finding the perfect home. However, one of the most significant mistakes newcomers to Red Deer often make is neglecting to conduct thorough research on the neighborhoods themselves. While the house may be your primary concern, the surrounding community plays a crucial role in your overall living experience. The importance of neighborhood research? Understanding the characteristics of different neighborhoods can significantly impact your day-to-day life. Each area in Red Deer has its unique attributes, which can cater to diverse lifestyles. Factors such as demographics, local amenities, and community culture should all be considered to ensure that the neighborhood aligns with your personal and family needs. Family-friendly areas. For families, finding a neighborhood that offers a safe environment, good schools, and recreational facilities is essential. Areas with parks, playgrounds, and community centers can significantly enhance the quality of life for children and parents alike. Researching school ratings and availability of extracurricular activities can provide insight into the family friendliness of a neighborhood. Young professionals and retirees. Conversely, young professionals may prioritize proximity to workplaces, public transportation, and entertainment options. A vibrant neighborhood with cafes, restaurants, and nightlife can be appealing. Meanwhile, retirees might prefer quieter areas with easy access to healthcare facilities and community services. Each demographic has specific needs, and understanding these can help you choose the right location. Key factors to consider. Demographics. Investigate the demographic composition of potential neighborhoods. This includes understanding the age distribution, family structures, and community involvement. For instance, if you are a young couple, you might prefer an area with a vibrant social scene, while families may seek neighborhoods with similar age groups and children. Proximity to amenities. Access to amenities such as grocery stores, schools, parks, and medical facilities is crucial. A neighborhood with nearby conveniences can save time and enhance your daily routine. Consider how close these amenities are and whether they meet your personal needs. Noise levels and environment. The environment of a neighborhood can greatly affect your comfort. Areas near major roads, like Westlake, may offer desirable homes but can be prone to traffic noise. Researching the noise levels and overall ambience of a neighborhood can help you avoid potential disturbances. Community culture. Each neighborhood has its own culture and community vibe. Some areas may host regular community events, while others might be more private and quieter. Engaging with local residents or visiting community centers can provide insights into the neighborhood culture. Future developments. Investigate any planned developments in the area. New infrastructure, businesses, or community projects can influence property values and the general appeal of a neighborhood. Being aware of such changes can help you make a more informed decision. Strategies for effective neighborhood research. Visit in person. Take the time to visit potential neighborhoods. Walk around, observe the surroundings, and get a feel for the community. This first-hand experience can help you gauge whether the area aligns with your lifestyle. Use online resources. Leverage online platforms that offer neighborhood statistics, crime rates, school ratings, and reviews from residents. Websites like Neighborhood Scout or local real estate sites often provide valuable insights. Engage with local realtors. Local realtors can offer in-depth knowledge about neighborhoods and help you identify which areas may best suit your needs. They can provide context beyond what is available online. Attend community events. Participating in local events can give you a sense of the community spirit and whether it resonates with you. This can also be an opportunity to meet neighbors and get their perspectives. 5. Neglecting to get pre-qualified for a mortgage. Many individuals assume that getting approved for a mortgage will be straightforward, especially if they have a substantial down payment or a history of home ownership. However, various factors can influence your mortgage approval, such as employment status and credit history. Before starting your home search, It is crucial to meet with a mortgage broker or lender to understand your financial situation. This pre-qualification process will help you identify your budget and avoid the disappointment of falling in love with a home that is out of reach. Always get pre-qualified for a mortgage to understand your budget and streamline the home buying process. 6. Expecting Red Deer to be a busy city. Many people move to Red Deer seeking a slower pace of life, free from the hustle and bustle of larger cities. While this can be a significant advantage, it is important to manage your expectations regarding the city's activity level. Red Deer has a population of just over 100,000, which contributes to a laid-back atmosphere. While there are amenities and activities available, the nightlife and dining options may not compare to larger urban centers. If you are looking for a vibrant nightlife or a diverse food scene, you may find Red Deer lacking in these areas. Understand that Red Deer offers a quieter lifestyle, which may not suit everyone's preferences. Be prepared for a more relaxed pace of life. Conclusion: moving to Red Deer can be a rewarding experience, offering a lower cost of living and a welcoming community. However, it is essential to approach this transition with the right mindset and preparation. By avoiding common mistakes such as unrealistic expectations about the housing market, being inflexible in job searches, and neglecting neighborhood research, you can ensure a smoother relocation process. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights about living in Red Deer and other helpful tips for your move. We encourage you to leave your comments and share your experiences or questions about relocating to this wonderful city. Your feedback helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.